Hi, welcome to my channel. This video is for a garter mum backer, and I am doing twisted loops, and the colors are red, white, and blue. So I am doing a combination of those colors. I'm doing each twisted loop will get 2 colors, and I cut 12 of each color, and they are cut at 6 inches long. I will be making 3 sets of patterns, so I will have 6 of each pattern. Here is one way to make the twisted loop. This is my method, the method that I prefer and how I learned to do them. It's very easy. You just fold one towards you and one away from you. So they're twisted twice actually, because once towards you and once away from you. But here is another way to twist them if that is too confusing for you. You just use your fingers like this, and then you slide it off your fingers and it's already in the shape you need it. And you can also curl up the front just a little bit if you want to, and then staple it. Okay, I'm finished making all my twisted loops. Now I can start attaching them to my backer. And this is a little shortcut for you if you want to trace out like a small ribbon spool, and that way you kind of know where to attach them on the backer, and that way you're even all the way around. Now I'm starting at the top, and you can see how far down I attached it. You can go a little higher or a little lower, just depends on what you like. And then I'm going on the opposite side, and I'm going to do a north, south, east, west pattern to start with, and I'm using all red and white to start with. Now my backer is about 5 1/4 inches in diameter, and I'll be using about a 5 1/2 inch mum flower. Now I'm going to start attaching the blue and white ones, and I'm going to attach them in between the red and white ones. Don't forget to subscribe, tap the bell for notifications on my uploads and live streams, and comment, like, share, and please keep the comments clean and nice. You can give me feedback and tell me what I'm doing wrong or what I'm forgetting, but you can do it in a nice way. Seems like everybody that wants to tell me what I'm doing wrong has to do it so rudely, so I'd appreciate if you did it with a little bit of kindness. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you like this video. I'm going to keep on attaching all of these and show you each one and how I do it. Now I'm moving on to another layer, and I am going with the red and blue ones this time. And then I'm going to, as soon as I get all the way around with these, I will attach the leftover ones one layer above that. On this second layer where I'm attaching them between the 2 twisted loops below it. So don't attach them on the second layer, don't attach directly on top of the first layer. You want to go in between so you can see all those different twisted loops. Now you can flip these twisted loops over if that pattern is not working for you, because it will change it up just a little bit. So you can look at it one way and then flip it over and see what it looks like if you like it better that way, and then attach it that way. It doesn't matter which way is up or down, just whichever way you like. Now I have 2 left over. You could quit here because it's nice and full, but I'm going to go ahead and use them and attach them on opposite sides, just where I think it's the lowest or the less fullness of it. But again, you know, do what you want to do. You could also do just 1 layer around the backer. I have I think at least 2 videos where I do just one layer of twisted loops, and those look really good too. You just want to make sure your backer is not showing at all. Okay, that's finished. I'm going to go ahead and show you what it looks like with the mum flower so you can get an idea of the finished look. Now don't forget to check out all my other videos. I have a ton of playlists, so I have everything organized, and I have wreath and floral tutorials, and I have all kinds of DIYs, and just about every holiday and season I've got DIYs and decorating and gift wrapping, you name it, I've got it on there. So please check those out. I appreciate everything you guys do and support me. I appreciate it so much. Thank you all, and happy mum making.